Hey guys, so it's Saturday afternoon. I thought I'd come back out and try and see if we can figure out what's going on with the starter. And yes, I did get new glasses. I can finally see again. So, all right, guys, let's see if I can dig into it, and if I can figure something out, I'll bring it back. All right, guys. At first, I didn't get any voltage across the solenoid. I can hear it clicking, but then I've been farting around with it here, and I did start getting voltage over on the other side. So now I should be able to. I'm hoping it might not start still because I still have to apply 12 volts to the what you call it over there, but to the Harley starter solenoid. But at least I should know if I got voltage here, which I'm hoping. Okay, so it should be on. It's on. Okay. That's weird. At first it wasn't sending any voltage. All right, so let's turn this off. Let me take the positive off, and I'm going to jump the trigger terminal or whatever back over here, and we're going to see what happens. Okay. All right. Let me get this hooked up. Man, the oil tank's right in the way. Everything's in the way over here. I'm probably going to have to take the oil tank off to get to this connection. Man, I cannot see it in there. I mean, I can. It's just really hard to get your fingers in there. Kind of after the fact. Now it's on the trigger terminal over there. All right. So we're going to bring it back to here, to the output side of the Sol 200X or whatever. That's what I did that's what I did yesterday. Although, it seems like, is there a soft start or something? Is that what I was seeing? I don't really know. Nothing. Nothing. How infuriating. I don't know if it's because the battery's dead or, I mean, it's just low. Oh, yeah. See, now it's saying it's okay. All right. Well, I think I'm going to try. Last time what I did is I took these jumpers and I just kind of jumped everything. And I ended up like cooking one of my wires, but let's try again. Let me do some quick rigging here. All right, I tied the starter solenoid trigger to the thing that triggers the Sol 200X. I don't know what's going to happen. Hopefully nothing horrible. Nope. Damn it. I don't know. I might have to call David at NWT Cyclotronics and see if he can help me figure this out, because this doesn't make a lot of sense. Hey guys, so there's something weird with my starter and the solenoid, I think, or something, because there's 3 terminals on there. One's for the battery, one's to the starter, and one's supposed to be your trigger. You send voltage there, and I've got 1 ohm to ground or less, basically connected to ground on the small terminal, which is weird. I don't know. I got to do some more looking, because I'm sending over 12 volts to the input of the iron head starter solenoid and all that. I got to do some research, so that's kind of where I'm leaving it. I kind of ripped it apart, so I was kind of afraid of this, that I'd have everything together and it wouldn't run. So let me show you what I did. All right, so there's the starter solenoid. There's the starter motor. So the long big terminal on top goes to the battery. The short one, the short one on the bottom goes to the starter. the little guy should be the trigger wire to pull this in, and then it should send juice over to that guy, pull that terminal off too. So I don't exactly know what's going on, but I gotta look at, I don't know, gotta look at some videos or something. There's gotta be something I'm missing, or maybe it's completely normal. I don't know, but something's up. Anyways, I'm gonna do some research and we'll try and figure it out. So, all right, we'll see you guys on the next one. Easy.
I am Iron Man.